Want to hide or remove reposts on Instagram? Here's how to do it step by step. Instagram now allows reposting posts and reels, but you can remove them anytime. Let's start with removing a repost. Open Instagram. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for reposts. Here you'll see all the posts you've reposted. Tap Select. Choose the repost you want to remove. Then tap Remove. That repost is now deleted from your profile. There's also a quicker way. If you see a post you reposted, just tap the repost icon again to undo it instantly. Now, let's say you want to stop others from reposting your content. Go back to Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the Repost settings. Turn off the option that allows others to repost your posts and reels. Now, people won't be able to repost your content. And that's it. That's how you hide or remove reposts on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.